friends, my name is Abby and I'm here today with my friend
Ryan.
And I'm so happy he's here because we're going to teach you all how to make your very own Play-Doh. That's right. Well, playing with Play-Doh is so much fun, right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of things do you like to do with Play-Doh?
I like to make people out of it.
You do? Oh, well, I like to use them and maybe sometimes make stars and letters and all kinds of shapes. So guess what? I'm sure that you guys like to play with Play-Doh too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you need to make your very own Play-Doh at home. You don't have to go buy the one from the store. Just make your own. The first thing you need is some salt. You're going to also need some flour and of course some water. That's it. Now if you want to make your Play-Doh colorful, then you can add some food coloring. Any color that you like will be just fine. If you don't want to add food coloring, you don't have to. Okay, so let's get started. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So Ryan, first things first, go ahead and take a half a cup of salt and pour it in. I already poured it in for him. Go ahead. Now go ahead and dump it. Good job, just like that. It's so white. I like it. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're also going to take a half a cup of water. Go ahead, Ryan. Grab a half a cup of water. Fill it up all the way. Good, just like that. And dump it in. Good job. Now, once you have the water and the salt together, all you're going to do is now pick your favorite color. What color do you like?
Red.
Red? All right. Now we're gonna add some red drops. Here we go. Let's add about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squirts. Those were big squirts. That way, the Play-Doh could really take its color. Now, the reason why we added the food coloring first, instead of once the dough is in there, is because that way we won't get our fingers dirty, huh, Ryan?
Yeah.
Go ahead and mix it, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing is fun. Good job. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing is fun. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing is fun. Good job mixing, Ryan. That looks really good. Okay, go ahead and stop. It doesn't have to be all dissolved. Now the next thing that we need to do is we're gonna add 1 cup of flour. Go ahead. Scoop it all the way in there. Get it all full. Good job. Here, I'll help you with the spoon. Make sure we level it off. Just 1 cup. Good job. Now we're gonna go ahead and dump it in. That was so cool. Now go ahead and mix, mix, mix. We're gonna keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Oh, I can already imagine all kinds of shapes that I can make with my Play-Doh. This is gonna be so fun. Gee, friend, you want me to help?
Yeah.
All right, let me get in there. I like to help. So I'm gonna go in here and mix, mix, mix until all of the flour comes together with the liquids that were in here. Whoa, I can already see it forming. You see that?
Yeah.
Wow. Soon it will all come together and we'll be able to play with it. Oh, remember, it doesn't have to be red. You can make it any color that you like.
You could even make it blue or yellow.
Yeah, I had to roll my sleeves up. I don't want to get my cardigan dirty. You don't have any sleeves to worry about, so you're just fine, Ryan. All right. So now that it's pretty mixed in, now we're going to dig in there with our hands. Now this part is so fun. Okay, so we're gonna dig in there. Now you're gonna feel it. If it feels like it's like a little bit too soft and still too wet, then what do you think we should do, Ryan?
Add more flour.
That's right. If it feels like it's still a little bit too liquidy, you can go ahead and grab it and dab the sides and add more flour that is still here on the plate. Or if you need to, you can still add more. So I feel Go ahead and feel it, Ryan. I feel that it's just about right. Go ahead and feel it. You can have this one. Feel it? How's that feel?
Good.
It feels good?
Yeah.
I think we're just about done. Now, this is easy Play-Doh that you can make anytime. Oh, that feels so good. Go ahead and take a look. It looks like real Play-Doh. Even better, this is your special Play-Doh from home. And you can make it anytime. All right, now I think we're just about ready to make something. Oh, I got the star cookie cutter. What do you have?
I got the gingerbread man.
All right, let's do it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this bowl, set it to the side. I got my roller. Do you have your roller?
Yeah.
You don't have to have a roller, but it's easier. So here we go. We're gonna roll it out as best as you can. Wow, it's so smooth, huh, Ryan?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, I think that looks just about right. Now I'm going to take any cookie cutter or shape, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it down. Push hard with my hands. Then I'm going to move it back and forth like this. That's a funny sound. Then I can carefully lift it, and the Play-Doh comes right off. Just like so. I could save this one and make something else. Take a look. I made my very own star. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and count how many points it has. Ready? Help me count, Ryan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it. It is a star. It's got 5 points. Beautiful. Now I can go ahead and lift it. Go ahead and show yours. Wow! You made your very own gingerbread man. I love it. It's so cute. Now we can set it to the side, grab the rest of your Play-Doh, and we can make something else. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed making Play-Doh with us today. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh, if you take a look, this was just enough Play-Doh for 2 people to play. Just 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, and 1 cup of water. And then you're also food coloring if you want to use it. Those are all the ingredients that you needed to make Play-Doh. Well, I had so much fun with you all today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that every time one of our new videos comes out, you'll be the first one to know. Remember, Abby's friends always do these 3 things. We always listen to our parents, respect others, and always do our best. Yes, sirree. Learn, explore, discover with Abby. That's me. See you next time. Bye. Let's go ahead and make more.
Yeah.
High five.